Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sandpoint. Local and long-distance movers near me. Our long-distance moving services include the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our moving team offers professional services to help make your relocation simple. We know this process can be stressful. With our help, you can move 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even 2,000 miles away without all the stress. Why should you hire an Idaho moving company for a local move? Without a moving company helping you, all the loading, packing, unloading, and unpacking falls on your shoulders. You'll have to lift every heavy item into the moving truck, which may result in injury. Why take the risk when a local moving company can help? 3 Movers knows how to get to your new home or business location fast. We make sure everything is handled properly during your local move. If the move would take you 3 days, we can do it in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sandpoint moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.